Now I feel like putting some end stops on the machine. So you remember we put one earlier on the x-axis because it would have been impossible later, since once the carriage is on the aluminum frame you cannot access its underside anymore. But we also need one on the y-axis and on the z-axis. I'm going to start with the y-axis, and I'm going to put it on the right because, because I want to, and because all the electronics is going to be on the right side of the machine, so it feels much more logical to not to go around the printer to get the axis. For those who don't know, the limit switches are a mean for the machine to know its home position. It's 0. So in the case of the larger heat bed, and the smaller one as well anyway, it's here. So that means on the x-axis you've got to be on the left, which by the way isn't exactly the limit of the bed. So even though it's 220, you probably can use slightly under 200 millimeters. On the Y it's here as well, so that means we have to put a limit switch on the back of the printer to know when it's far enough in that axis, and on the z-axis it's just the bed level, so we put the switch on the other side of this extrusion once, I guess, the heat bed is in place. Or maybe we'll temporarily install it and adjust it later on with the bed. So we need one limit switch, one of these acrylic parts, and the A8 bag with 2 really thin screws, 2 really thin nuts, 2 bigger screws, and 2 T-nuts per limit switch. So this is going like so, and I'm wondering if I should put the limit switch like so or like so. We'll see what comes in contact with it. It's the bed carriage, I guess it's better with the this orientation then. Okay, the screw on the inside to avoid running into the belt. Good, washer. T-nut. What the fuck is... Oh, there was a metal shaving. Good. So, washer. T-nut. Good. Trying to put them the right way. It's a bit safer. Good. No. Yes. And we'll adjust it once the bed is on. But it's probably way too far. If we compare it to the other side where the stepper motor bracket is, we couldn't put it further than that. So let's do that. And we'll see later on how much we have to adjust it. Click. Good. Now, the axis, that's going to be exactly the same principle. Just need another limit switch. I guess it's going to apply pressure on that. So we'll want it with that orientation then. side. I wonder how much cable management issues I'm gonna have later on. If you want a clean install, I guess many issues. And I'm not going to lift the printer to install these, so I'm trusting them to rotate as I screw into them to lock into position. And yeah, they did. Well, that's it.